Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make money online, like the money making formula for broke people. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how, like the money making formula for broke people. So if you want to make, for instance, $10,000 a day, $100,000 a day, even 5,000 or, whatever amount, maybe it's $1 million a month. If you want to make that kind of money, you have to stop thinking like other people because most people are trying to get a job. That's what society tells you to do. That's what everybody around you probably tells you to do, unless you're like from a, you have parents that are business owners or things like that, but most people are not that way. So you have to really stop thinking like most people and probably most people around you and stop focusing on actually just paying the bills. Instead, focus on really building an empire. Focus on, living the life that you actually want. Like, think about it. What life do you actually want? Do you want to go to your job and, work, come back home and sit on the couch? Maybe that's you, but maybe it's, traveling all over the world, or maybe it's buying a nice car, maybe it's buying a nice house, maybe you want to buy a mega yacht. I don't know you, I don't know what you actually enjoy, but you actually need to focus on that and actually going for it because, focusing on paying the bills, you have to be careful of what you wish for because you're going to make that kind of money to actually pay the bills. But if you focus on building an empire and being able to travel all over the world and, do whatever you want to do, I don't know what you want, but you really have to focus on that instead of focus on paying the bills because basically your wish is your command. So if you're actually willing to put in the work, your wish is your command. So what you have to do next is you have to start thinking like the people that actually make the money and, do what they do. So many people get this like really complicated and, do something completely crazy. If you want to like really do something like the rich people, then do what the rich people do. You don't even have to invest like any amount of money. Like if you look at the people that are really making some money, most of them started off broke. So you don't even have to like really have some money. You can, when I started this channel, I was like, there are a ton of people that are making a ton of money just by helping people. This sounds amazing. I'm going to do that. It's just like that. And then I started doing YouTube videos and, all that stuff. And they told me, well, build an email list. So I built an email list. It's just really, really that simple. So just focus on what they do, do like them, but obviously you want to do your own twist to it, and then that's how you're going to do. So obviously I'm going to explain exactly how to do this in this video, but you have to start thinking like those people and just do like what they do. The next thing that you have to focus on before we actually get into the steps is stop trading your time for money, because that is like, it's something that you have to do at the beginning. Like you might be working at a job, you might be doing something, something else, but you really have to focus on making that switch over time, because if I make a YouTube video, you can watch it 4 years from now and it will still be up and you'll still get that really big, big value from it. So with that being said, I'm going to get into the real steps of how you can do that. Think about what you know. What do you know? Do you know how to make money online? Do you know how to build a house? Do you know how to, you know, decorate a place, and, you know, do you know how to do woodworking, arts and crafts, play guitar, you know, cooking, you know, something like that. Do you know anything? You probably do. Like I'm saying, do you know anything? But you do know something, and a lot of people, believe it or not, are willing to know the same things that you do. So what you're going to do is you're going to teach people what you know. It's just as simple as that. And probably if you know it, you probably enjoy it at least a little bit. So teach people what you know, and then show people how to do what you do. So that's the second step. So teach people what you know and show people how to do what you do. So if you know how to do arts and crafts, show them how you do it and how they can do it as well. So the number 3 is you have to choose a platform. So choose a platform. In my opinion, YouTube is the best because, you know, they can hear you speak. Even if you don't show your face, people can hear you speak. If you show your face, it's even better because people kind of get to know you. But, you know, if you don't want to do YouTube, that's okay. You could do Instagram, you could do, you know, something like do blogging. Blogging is a big one, and most people think it's over, but it's not. Like, a lot of people actually visit blogs. But, you know, choose a platform and stick to one single platform. You know, so many people get all over the place. Just choose one. Choose YouTube. Okay, that's done. You're not doing blogging. You're not doing Instagram. You're not doing, you know, something completely different. You're doing YouTube, and that's it. Or maybe you're doing blogging, but then you're not doing your YouTube. You're not doing Instagram. Or maybe you're choosing Instagram, but you're not doing YouTube and blogging. So just choose one single platform. That's extremely important because otherwise you're going to be all over the place. And the people that actually choose multiple platforms, then they are going, like, they actually have a team and they can afford to do that. But if you're by yourself, choose one single platform. So you're going to create content on that platform, just as I said. Teach people what you do, like teach people how to do what you do. And then the next thing is get rich slow. And that is very important because so many people are going to try to get the quick money and things like that, but the quick money goes as fast as it came in. So don't try and get the quick money. Get the money slow, but then consistent, and grow it and grow it and grow it. And that's how you're going to actually make some money. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.